Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here and you're into 3D printing, photography, drones, tech, swimming pools and whatever interests me, start now by subscribing and hitting the bell so you won't miss anything. I'm in a car right now and that's because it's freaking hot in Brindisi, south of Italy. I just finished unboxing a product that I saw on TikTok, I saw on Instagram, and I decided to search for it, and I found it on AliExpress. In 4 days it got here, but let's roll the intro first and let me get into it.
Man, this might be something lethal, like a beast that can't be tamed. This the kind of rage you can't contain. Yeah, this might be something lethal. You can really see the flames, feeling like it's borderline insane. Man, this might be something lethal. Something lethal. Yeah, this might be something lethal. Something lethal. Feel it coming, feel it coming. The pressure starts.
Okay, you've probably seen the unboxing, a little bit of the unboxing and the putting together. We're talking about the Woltu shoe organizer boxes. I mean, it's a Chinese company, and I saw this on TikTok, as I said, and I loved it. But every time I tried to click, it looked like a scam through TikTok. I found that on AliExpress, trusted it a little bit more. All the links will be down in the description, and the price was around 20, 30 US dollars, like 23 euros, 24 euros, something like that. But anyway, all the links will be down in the description. I feel the need to do this because I wear a size 48, which is 14 and a half, I think, in the US. That means I have a long foot. And every boxes I found on the market, like, ended up not closing. I mean, ended up not, like, my shoe didn't fit in it. They were claiming that the size was 34 centimeters. That's pretty much 1 centimeter less than the average size of a 14. So I decided to buy it on AliExpress, and I just got it this morning. Went home for the break, like the break I have in the hour, like in my lunch break, and I put it together. I mean, as you can see from the putting together, it was like at the beginning it was not that like intuitive. I mean, I had to watch a video on internet of a girl doing this like really fast. I mean, you're seeing that clip right now just to understand how to put it together. It's basically two pieces of hard plastic, the back and the door that opens. It's like really looks good with the magnet, as you can see. The door slides in place very nicely, and a piece of soft plastic. I have no idea what material that is, but you have to fold it and slip it in the holes, and once it's in place, it's like pretty sturdy. And as you can see, I mean, the result is not that bad. I mean, my wife is gonna come home at 4:30 this afternoon, and she's gonna find that in our wardrobe room, and I think she's gonna like it, especially because I didn't have a place for my big shoes and they were all laying around the house. I mean, again, Woltu is a Chinese company. I'm gonna do some research now, probably put it on screen. And I don't know if they do only this, but this is a really neat product. I mean, it came in not a big box, pretty heavy though, because I bought the 12-1 models, but there's also 6 or 18. I think it's multiples of 6. But anyway, if you have a lot of shoes, that's one of the best way to organize it. I mean, look at it. It's like right, nice and neat. That was all for today, guys. I mean, this is not tech, but it's useful hints on a product that's cheap and can make you fix a home, like your home. I mean, it makes it look better and your sneakers have a place to sleep in. Smash the like button if you did like the video, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and I'll see you guys on the next video.